Do you want to improve your IELTS band score within a week? Well, I've got some game-changing tips coming your way. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more exclusive content. So, here are the 5 tips that are going to help you improve your IELTS performance. First of all, understand the test format. Read through the IELTS guidelines to understand the test format, question types, and assessment criteria for listening, reading, writing, and speaking sections. Apart from that, practice regularly. Dedicate at least 2 hours every single day to improve your skills. Swap those full-length mock tests for targeted section drills. Identify the weak question types and focus your energy in honing those areas. Apart from that, the next tip is to expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases every single day using flashcards, vocabulary apps, and read IELTS academic passages to improve your word bank. The next thing that you should do is master time management. Managing time is extremely crucial in the IELTS exam, especially in the reading and writing sections. Learn to prioritize questions and finish your task in the allotted time frame. The last tip of the day is to seek feedback and guidance. Take mock tests and ask for constructive criticism from your teachers, and use that to identify weak areas and work on that. So, here are the 5 tips that are going to help you improve your scores. Follow IMS Venturi for more such tips. Thank you.